boldly, I can say I'm making money.
Some time ago, you were not putting on weight like this, but I
But look at me now. See my stomach. My rent from Forex, bed, Forex, couch, Forex, telly, even my phone.
Got it from Forex.
Forex.
Is Forex trading just a complicated or sophisticated means of gambling, or it's actually a legitimate way to make money? Let's dive into this critical topic of concern regarding the financial market. I'm Mark Abraham, and this is the Global Forex Movement. With me here is one of our very own, and he's helping me or joining us to do today's discussion. I've been seeing you dancing on TikTok. Hey, what's up? Where do you get the joy from? Like
the joy all comes from the pips.
The pips you're making.
Pips. Like the ability to make money while on bed, while sleeping.
Not sleeping.
Yeah, that is it.
So, and I realized that thing you've been doing on TikTok,
okay,
is actually one of the things that normally pull your followers a lot.
Oh yeah.
You see that they are happy seeing you expressing that kind of dancing moves. Oh, yeah. Whoa. But then, is it always that you're making money that is making you always happy, or even when you take losses, you still try to be happy?
You see, all emotions, have been killed because the market has taken all my emotions away. I have learned, a whole lot, from the market, through the losses and the wins. So there was emotions, have been killed. So no emotions, whether win, I still express joy, loss, still joy. Yeah.
This is a very deep statement you made.
Okay.
Which means you came to the point where emotions, losses no longer affect your emotions. Whether profit or win, you are still stable in your emotions.
Yeah.
It's not like there's absolutely no emotion, but you've mastered how to tame that emotion.
Yeah.
And that's a very powerful point to get in the Forex career.
Yeah.
I always admire the way you can be able to express yourself and
thank you very much.
Dance on TikTok. I can do that actually.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right. So today we are looking at the topic Forex versus gambling. We have this misconception regarding the financial market. People say it's like Forex is gambling. People say Forex is just a senior brother of sport betting. And you hear all these things regarding the financial market. And then Forex traders are also saying that Forex is a business. They're also defending their stand that Forex is a business and not gambling. So if I should place a trade on EUR/USD and somebody also bet on sport, are we doing the same thing? Or we are doing something different altogether? So we want to actually demystify these differences. What differentiates Forex from gambling?
All right. Thank you very much. My name is Amevo Chat, and I am very passionate about the financial market. You see, Forex can be gambling. Forex can be gambling in a way that if you don't have a structure, a system, then Forex can be a gambling. But then when you have a structure and a well-laid platform to trade, then Forex can never be gambling. If you don't have any system, then trust me, Forex is gambling. But then when there is a system in place, then Forex can never be gambling. So
Forex can be gambling depending on who is handling it.
Oh yeah.
So if the person who's handling it is not having any system or structures in place,
then
you end up, it's more of like, you don't know what you are doing.
Yeah.
You just see candle. I have a friend, it's like when I see the candles going up, then I buy.
You buy.
When I see that it's coming down, then I just sell.
Yeah.
Without any strategy or system in place doing that.
Yeah.
From what I can deduce from here is that Forex can become gambling based on who is handling it.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, it comes to the individual who is handling Forex.
Yes.
And that will determine whether it is gambling or not gambling.
Yeah.
But you made a statement that if there's a structure in place, then there's no way that Forex will become gambling. Now, let's dive into these structures that differentiate Forex from gambling. What are these structures?
All right. So, for example, let's say on gold. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I'm trading gold. And let's say, for any trade that I enter, my stop should be like, 10 pips. That should be my stop.
Yeah.
So when I place a trade and the trade doesn't go in my favor, and it goes against me, with the 10 pip loss, I have to get out of the market. Why? I have a system in place that when the trade doesn't go in my favor and it goes against me, 10 pips against me, then it means that my trade wasn't the perfect one. I have to exit. This is it's a laid structure
in place.
But then it becomes gambling when I don't have a system. For example, I enter into a trade without no defined structure. Maybe with a loss, or maybe with a profit. I just enter. So anything goes. Whether loss, any loss goes. Whether means any means goes. That means that at the end of the day, because no structure, that means that my losses won't be what's calculated. Same applies to the win when they are not defined.
Yeah.
Then it is gambling. But then when they are well defined with the loss and then the wins, then it is no more gambling. But then a business.
All right. So if I get you clear, which means that with Forex trading, you can calculate your risk before you jump into the market. That's where it comes in. Maybe I'm risking 1% of my account on this particular trade. So before any other thing, I know that if this trade didn't go well, this amount of money I am losing. And if it go in my favor, this amount of money I'm making. But unlike gambling, it's either here or there.
Yeah.
It's either I'm winning or I'm losing.
Yeah.
And the gambling house is always having the upper hand over the one who is gambling with them.
Yeah.
But with Forex, you have control over the amount of risk you are willing to put in there. Let's proceed forward. What other things differentiate Forex from
and then gambling? One thing is that for the gambling, the owners have their own system.
Yeah.
So the system is designed to favor the owners of the company. But then with the Forex, no one is in control. Not you, not me, not the company. Everyone has no control. Those that have control are those on the market. So you have control. I also have control.
Yes.
No one no single person has
absolute
control of the market. That makes Forex not gambling. But then with the gambling is of the bet and the rest, the company have their own system.
Yeah.
So they can rake their own page for you to lose. Unlike Forex, with the Forex, no one has control over the market. Just you and I.
So that becomes a decentralized
market.
Interesting. So with the Forex market, nobody have the absolute control of the market.
Yeah.
But with the gambling, they have the utmost power.
Yeah.
And they can decide to manipulate things anyhow they want it.
Anyhow they want.
They want it, that's it. And then adding up to that, we can also look at here, talking about knowledge and analysis.
Okay.
Forex goes with analysis.
Yeah.
But gambling goes with chance.
Yeah.
So if the chance go in your favor, then you win. But if it doesn't go in your favor, you are losing. But with Forex, you acquire the knowledge, and once you have the knowledge, then to make money now based on analysis, which means that there's a system or a certain pattern you are following to make money. And once those patterns are not in place on the market, the day you come on the chart to trade, you pull away.
Yeah.
And that's one thing also that make Forex different from gambling altogether.
Yeah.
So far, we've gotten to, there's a realization that actually there's something different. There's a difference between Forex and gambling.
Yes.
And we all must embrace this knowledge that Forex can never be gambling. Forex itself is a business. And once you treat it with a business mindset, you put in the structures that will make you profitable and last long in your trading career. Actually, when I hear people say that Forex is gambling, it saddens my heart.
Yeah, sometimes I get them. Why? Both gambling and Forex operates based on what chances or what probability. That is it. Yeah. But then the difference between the gambling and the Forex lies in the control, because both of them operate on chances.
Mm-hmm.
But then the control lies in the Forex. But with the gambling, you don't have control. No. Just your page where you are betting. Those in charge, they can control anything
at any time
on their end. But with the Forex, no one can control anything on your end. All what you can do is to control yourself. Your win, your loss. How to exit. How to enter. Example. With maybe Chelsea and then Arsenal are playing a match. For example, you can bet that there should be 2 goals. So when there is a 2 goal, then it means that your bet at has what played out. Yes, it can happen that when the match is on, two goals will surely what play out. But then what if it doesn't? There's no way that we can control. But then with the forex market, you can just enter. When you are wrong, you can just get out instantly.
Come out, yeah.
But then with the betting, there's no way. Okay, you have to relax. Okay, for the bet to play out, whether in your favor or not. But with the forex, you can just enter right now and just get that right now.
So it's a trader can manage risk and make informed decisions, while gamblers rely totally on luck.
You mentioned luck. You see, sometimes even in forex, there is luck in forex.
Mm-hmm. But it's defined. It's still luck, but there's a system where strategy we're following. So it's not totally relying on the luck, but there's a strategy and analysis that is complementing that luck. But in gambling, there's no strategy. There's no risk management. You enter hoping that you win. And if it doesn't go well in your favor, you lose. If you go in your favor, you win. So that's why I'm saying that it totally rely on luck. Whilst forex, there's luck there. However, it's not absolutely relying on luck. It rely on your knowledge and your skill as well.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
So forex can become gambling to you when number one, you don't know what you are doing. Number two, when you don't have risk management system. Number three, when you don't have the skill set to what you are doing. I know somebody who just go into the market, you fund the account. Then you see that, today the market is, green candle is going up. Then you see that candle going up, then you just, let me buy, then you jump into the market, boom.
Just like that.
Without any
no structure, nothing. No plan.
No confirmation, no plan, nothing. You just go into it like that.
Then with this, we can say that forex is gambling. Because no plan.
No plan.
No plan. Just enter out. No plan.
So, you being in the financial market for some time now, how has the market been to you? Are you enjoying your journey? Are you making money?
You see, nothing comes easy. Nothing comes easy. So, as a financial trader, you have to embrace the challenges.
The challenges, yeah.
You see, challenges, they are sweet. They are sweet. Challenges are sweet. They groom you, to become someone better.
Yeah.
So if you don't face any challenge, then it means you are not growing.
It sharpens your skill.
It sharpens you. So with the losses, they don't define you, though. Losses are just part of the process. They don't define you. If today you are making a loss, it doesn't mean that tomorrow
you
will make a profit. No. So first trade can be wrong. It doesn't mean that second trade will be wrong. So you just have to learn to embrace that loss and just move on. Sometimes it is tough. You might think that it's not working, but it's working. The ability that you've made money and still lost it shows that at least you're trying.
Yeah.
So sometimes you just have to learn to keep showing up.
Yeah.
Whether good, show up. Bad, you show up. Just keep showing up.
Consistency is key there.
That is it. So keep showing up. It's very tough. But now, boldly, I can say I'm making money. The ability to be on your phone, on your laptop, in your bedroom, to be making money.
I can see.
It's just priceless. Just priceless.
Some time ago, you were not putting on weight like this. But
look at me now. It's not stomach.
I can see right now, your body is coming. And to testify to that, most of the things around you, they are all funded from forex.
Oh yeah,
rent and all.
My rent from forex, bed, forex, couch, forex, telly, even my phone.
Got it from
forex. Everything is what? It's forex. Free money, but then hard endo, but free money. All right, yeah.
Which means that if you are determined and ready to go through the process, at the end of the day, forex is going to pay you.
Yeah.
Nobody ever had it easy at the beginning. So don't be a gambler. Take your time and learn the skill sets. Once you acquire the skill, you get to that point that you start making your own personal money. You start living off from forex. at least you survive from Forex. We are not talking about the immediate bigger money to buy the Range Rovers and the Teslas and the rest.
You see, okay, let me come in. Some people find, 200 Ghana cedis, let's say $20, just to flip to thousands of dollars, 20,000 of dollars in, let's say, a week or a month. It is wrong. With just $20, like how? So that can make what Forex a gambling. Because you are too quick, to what, flip that account.
Yeah.
So being too quick to flip that account becomes what? It becomes gambling. But then when you take things slow, for example, $20, $2 profit, it makes sense. $3 profit, it makes sense. Small. Then what? Grow that account. But to $20, giddy to thousands of dollars in, let's say, weeks or 2 weeks. It's very bad. So this makes Forex gambling. But then when you take things slow, come on.
You are
real business. Real business, yeah.
And I also see, like, if you want Forex to be beneficial to you, always do your best and buy something out of Forex money.
Yeah.
Not only food.
Withdraw
and buy something.
Pamper your soul. That you are making money online. Withdraw.
Yeah. There should be set some things around it. Okay, this thing I got from Forex. Yeah. So whenever you look at those things in tough times, those things will motivate you that it's the same Forex money I used to get this. It means I can make money from Forex and buy something else.
You see, there was a day that I funded an account with just $20. And then that day, I was able to make $100 on that $20. The first thing I did was, I withdrew that money. Cash. Went to the mall. You see, when I got to the mall, I don't even watch, the price tag. Like, I pick. I know that, even if it is maybe $20, $30, I can still buy without watching what the price tag. So nice. Like it becomes so what convenient, big, come on.
Money gives confidence.
I can make my own money in my room. That thought alone is so priceless. Very, very priceless. Yeah.
The joy I derive from Forex is that, people can go up and down, wake up in the morning, go to town, come back in the evening, but at the end of the month, what they make is nothing to account for.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I can be in the comfort of my room without all this stress, and at the end of the month, I'm still making more than they are making. I get to the point. And this is where Forex actually no, this thing must be pushed to others, so that people come to that knowledge of Forex. Just that it's not going to be easy. Like you, it wasn't easy at the beginning.
It wasn't easy at all.
But when things turned, you recover all those losses you made there. Yeah. And I don't even call it losses. Why? Because if you are building a house, the first step to building a house is that you are going to lay a foundation.
Yeah.
And there's a huge amount of money that goes into cement, iron rod, and all those things that you pour into the ground. Will you call that one a loss? No. It's part of what will make the building stand at the end of the day. Without the foundation, there's no building.
Yeah.
So the losses you are incurring in your process is part of what the tuition fees is part of what the foundations you are laying for to becoming a profitable trader.
Sure.
So don't let those things discourage you from going into trading.
Yeah.
Study where you are failing, learn from your mistakes, keep showing up, keep trying. At the end of the day, I say one day when things turn around, you're going to be making a lot of money.
Yeah. Find your drive. What drives you? Okay. For me, like this, growing up, I plan to be an accountant. Okay. I plan to be an accountant. But then, the idea of sitting in front of one chair, one office chair, one table all the time, every morning. In the morning, I'll wake up, join a bus, get to the office, same chair, same table, same process every day for like 60 years and go on retirement for how long? Same chair, same office. Same chair, same office, the same process for how long? So with that, I was like, no, this isn't my field. Then I jump onto Forex. I come here and I'm making money. I can log around and making money. So priceless. Anywhere I can make my own money.
Myself and my friend went somewhere. Whenever I say this, I just laugh. And we were hungry.
Okay.
but there's no money on us. But we were really, really hungry. So I was like, just tell my friend, let's go out. And we went and we saw some drink store like that. And we were selling some pastries and stuff. We went there, out of boldness, I said like, let's order. And we order.
Just like that.
Just like that, and we start drinking.
Yeah.
Now, I went on my chart. It was even a Saturday.
Okay.
So I went to BTC.
BTC, surely.
And fortunately for me, I saw the price movement that aligns with my strategy.
That's it.
Right there, I took the trade, made the money, withdrew, and then give it to the person.
Just like that.
And we just left like that.
Yeah, instantly.
So this is one of the advantage when you start getting edge in the market. At any point, at any time, you can still make money.
Yeah.
And I always also made a statement that there's a level you get in your trading career, you can never come down again. Unless you are gambling.
Yeah.
Because it's just like, let me use a practical example that will make this statement solid. Right now, because of the force of gravity, if you're trying to jump up, you come down. Or anything you chew up will come down because of what? The force of gravity. But once you break through that zone layer of the force of gravity, it is the upward, the itself sustain you and keep pushing you up.
Sure.
You can never come down again.
Sure.
So there's a level of profitability you come to in your forex career. You cannot come back to square zero.
Sure.
If you put the right systems and structures in place.
Sure.
And that is where we are all pushing towards getting. So, my guy, learn forex. Learn forex. Go into it. Even if you don't use it, learn it. Acquire the knowledge. One day, it will be useful to you. Or your child who grew up one day, and then you introduce him to the concept of trading.
Yeah.
And he or she herself will pick it up.
Yeah.
And then go and further it and master it. And that will become an edge for him in life. Whilst the colleagues are completing school and now looking for a job, he might even still be in school and be a millionaire.
Yeah,
surely. Because of the skill
surely
he acquired at the beginning.
Yeah.
This is some of the reasons why you have to and you must learn trading. It might not be for everybody. However, if that passion is in you, go for it. Don't let the noise discourage you. And also don't be lured by the flamboyant lifestyle display on social media. Don't let that one deceive you. If not, you become a gambler and not a trader.
Listen, many people, the money they are showing online, some are not from Forex trading.
On Forex. That's the point.
If even you that you are making $1 a month, you are far off than those people online showing their cars and money.
Yeah.
So $1 a month, you are still what? Profitable. Have you lost? No. How much did you make in a month? $1. You're still profitable. You are still profitable. That's money. You're still profitable.
Yeah.
But then, when you are listening to people online making huge sums of money, you might think you are not doing enough. But trust me, you are doing enough, bro. You are really doing enough. So take things slow. Take things slow and just don't give up.
I actually want you to talk to somebody, motivate somebody based on your experience through your journey so far and how the forex market has been beneficial to you. I want you to talk to somebody who is feeling like giving up or who feels like this is not working for me.
Bro, just don't give up. Just don't. The journey may be tough. Just don't give up. Losses are part of the process. Friends will talk you out of it. Don't. It's not working. Just quit. Go find a job. But trust me, just don't. Learn to take things slow and things will play out. Don't give up. Just don't. It is worth it. I won't lie to you. It is worth it. Just don't. Just don't. Ebefa, telling you. Just believe. And if you are not into it, start now. Start now. If you want materials that you want to learn with, you can come into my page. I'm over chat. Both on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I'm over chat. I have more free information for you, to start with. You can go onto my page and learn everything from there.
So, Forex itself is not gambling. I want us to establish this fact again. Forex itself is not gambling. It only becomes gambling when there's no structure in place regulating or guiding your forex journey. Mr. Amevo, if somebody wants to get in touch with you or want to have, maybe someone is watching you, be like, I want to reach out to this man so that he can help me through my trading journey, which platform, which means can we get access to you?
All right, thank you. You can reach me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook as Amevo Chat. Okay. Even on YouTube too as Amevo Chat.
Okay.
Amevo Chat.
So you do mentorship?
I do mentorship. Yeah, face to face, online, any.
All social media platform Amevo Chat. If you go to his platform, definitely I'm sure that you have access to his DM and then chat him and then
with the Amevo, it is AM.
Okay.
Even OR and the chat CHARTNS. Thank you.
Okay, I'd like to take that again.
AM even OR CHARTNS.
Okay, so soon we would like to draw the curtain here, and I'm definitely sure that he will come back again on the podcast for a different topical discussion. Now, do you think Forex is just a sophisticated gambling, or it's a legitimate way of making money online? Comment your ideas in the comment section so that we will further discuss this topic in the comment. This is the Global Forex Movement, and I'm Mark Abraham. This vision and agenda is that at the end of the day, we are looking at every household having at least one profitable trader. Subscribe to this channel, comment and like, and click on that little notification box so that whenever we drop a new video, you will not be left out. Let's do this together. Let's push this agenda together. And we know at the end of the day, it's going to be beneficial to many. Till we come your way next time, stay locked in and don't give up. Let's meet at the top.